Si Charles.
Saan? Minsan pag pwede kasama siya.
Hindi naman siya nagpapahal.
Si
Usually sa sakyan ko nagdadrive na.
My shoes. Joke lang. My slippers yun. Okay. Balik na tayo sa normal cam. By the way, it's still me, guys. Hello.
Oh, your eyes.
I know.
Di libo na bayad daon.
Ano yun?
What's that,
Libo.
Ano yan?
What is that?
I think I discovered the UFO.
Bende mo kulang.
I know. Guys, disclaimer. Reflection lang pala ng ng mirror. Reflection pala lang yan ng mirror. Timpa ako. Okay. Can't see nothing. Ay, dahil naka-zoom in ako. Teka. Hello, ito yung light
What
ko.
if you see something in there?
Kaya lang, ang mahirap kasi
Somebody like just
pag hindi
toss it in
sanay,
your
hindi
car.
mo
What are you gonna do?
I'll kill him. Just kidding.
Yung sakyan
Who is
ng Quezon
that?
yata.
Joke lang, nasa
Dadaan ng
truck yun. Truck yun. Okay.
Hindi na lang.
Vlogging the driver.
Oo.
Yung driver namin.
Sa Vermosa.
Ayun, say hello.
Hello. Ano lang yan?
Mommy, say hello.
Sorry.
Sorry. And say hello to my foot.
Oh, you go. Puppet show.
Hello. I am gonna kill him.
Wala.
Who's him?
Sabi?
Bye. Hey. Haha. Okay, video me.
Okay, I'll video you.
Madami.
Hello.
What are you gonna say?
We are gonna kill a stickman fight
Okay.
with him.
Okay. Let's go.
Patakan pa tayo.
Hello.
Sa tingin.
Oh.
Malapit na. Dapat alisin yung enforcer niya.
Meron po, may enforcer po yan. Wala enforcer yan, kanina pa yan.
Oo, kasi hindi naman to, Hindi
Well.
Ba't kaya na traffic?
Be down.
Enforcer po yan.
What's that show called?
Ay, pa matulog.
He knows the director. Bye. Okay, bye.
Pasakin.